Hi everyone, in this video I am going to show how to find the value of x where x plus 8 whole square is equal to 64. We have two methods. First method, questions have given x plus 8 whole square is equal to 64 or x plus 8 whole square. Now taking this 64 to left side we will get negative 64 is equal to 0, or x plus 8 whole square minus 64 can be written as 8 square is equal to 0. Now we know a algebraic formula: a square minus b square is equal to a plus b times a minus b. So apply this rule, we can write x plus 8 times x plus 8 minus 8 is equal to 0, or x plus 8 is 16 times x 8 plus 8 minus 8 is 0, so we can write x is equal to 0. Now from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x is equal to 0 and x plus 16 is equal to 0, or x is equal to negative 16, so x is equal to negative 16. Now second method, questions have given x plus 8 whole square is equal to 64, or we know algebraic formula a plus b whole square, so we can write here a square, that means x square, plus 2 times a, that means x, times b, that means 8, plus b square, that means 8 square is equal to 64, or x square plus 2 times 8 is 16, x plus 8 square is 64 is equal to 0, or x square plus 16x plus 64, taking this 64 to left side we will get negative 64 is equal to 0, or x square plus 16x, now this 64 cancel out, so here we will get 0, or now taking common x we will get x times x plus 16 is equal to 0. Then from here we have two solutions, so we can write here x is equal to 0 or x plus 16 is equal to 0, so x is equal to negative 16. So finally we will get two values of x is equal to 0 and x is equal to negative 16. Now check, our question is x plus 8 whole square is equal to 64. Now when x is equal to 0 we can write here 0 plus 8 whole square is equal to 64, or 0 plus 8 is 8 square is equal to 64. We know that 8 square is 64, so we can write here 64 is equal to 64. So x is equal to 0 are valid. Now when x is equal to negative 16 we can write here negative 16 plus 8 whole square is equal to 64, or negative 16 plus 8 is negative 8 whole square is equal to 64, or negative 8 can be written as negative 1 times 8 whole square is equal to 64, or now we can write a negative 1 square times 8 square it is equal to 64, or negative 1 square is 1 times 8 square is 64 it is equal to 64. So 1 times 64 is 64, so 64 is equal to 64, so x is equal to negative 16 is valid. Thanks for watching. If you like this video please subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video. Bye bye.